For the exponential function g, the table shows 4 values of x and their corresponding values of g of x. Which equation defines g? So we have these values of x and g of x, and we need to find which of these equations defines the function g of x. So looking at these x and g of x values, we see that when we go from -1 and 25 to 0 to 1, what happened is that we multiplied g of x by 1 over 25. And then when we increased x again, instead we multiplied by 1 over 25 again. And then going from 1 over 25 to 165, we multiplied by 1 over 25 again. So what seems to happen is that every time we increase x by 1, the function g of x gets multiplied by 1 over 25. So looking at the answer choices, we can immediately remove A and C, because what these are doing is that every time x increases, we're multiplying by more 25s instead of 1 over 25s. Like this here, this would be 25 raised to the third, right? And the same for C. The only difference is there's a negative sign here. So A and C are multiplying by 25s over and over again, while B and D are multiplying by 1 over 25 over and over again. So looking at g of x again, we see that none of these are negative. And B here says that there's a negative sign in front, meaning values of g of x will always be negative. So B cannot be the answer, and that means D must be the answer, because D here is multiplying by 1 over 25 x times. So D is correct.